Assalamu alaikum students. Now continuing the lectures of differentiation, now there is an important function, that's y equals to x raised power n. Now why we are using this? Because if we are having more and more power, for example if we are having x raised power 5, we don't know, by absorption method it will be very much difficult to for we, or x raised power 10, x raised power 12, 100, whatsoever, it will be very much difficult for we people. So for those very algebraic expressions where having a general equation y is equal to x raised power n, we have to solve it actually out. But we will simply now uh, I will simply write down the result. If we are going to differentiate this, then dy by dx of this very function, which I am not showing here but simply writing it, it is called as a power down formula. Why power down? Whatever is the power, you have to write it first above the function, in front of function, and you have to write down x, and the power which is n, it has been decreased by 1, n minus 1. So therefore what we have to remember, d by dx of x raised power n equals to nx n minus 1, which we have to remember in order to solve the many more functions, algebraic functions. We have to remember this very power down formula. So differentiation of x raised power n equals to nx n minus 1. For example, if we are having y equals to x raised power 3, which we have solved already, how we are going to solve it? We will place it dy by dx equals to, first we have to write differentiate both sides with respect to x. Whatever is the variable here, we have to differentiate with it. So once we write differentiate both sides with respect to, it will be dy by dx equal to d by dx of, instead of y we will write x cube. Now look towards this very, the general formula, it is resembling, here is x, here is x, here is n, here is 3. So this changed into nx n minus 1, it will be 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1, that is 3 x raised to power 2. That will be the answer. Therefore we can say d by dx of x cube equals to 3x square. This is the differentiation of what? X cube. If we have to solve out, we can have another function. If we are having y equals to 3x raised power 5 plus 4x raised power 2 plus 2x plus 1. Now we have to differentiate this. If we have to differentiate this by using the absorption method, it will be a long process and it will be very much difficult for we people. So now here we have to write differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it will be dy by dx equals to d by dx of, what is it? It is 3x raised to power 5 plus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. First we have to write it down like this, then we have to separately do it like this, equals to d by dx of 3x raised to power 5 plus, now with this, d by dx of 4x square plus d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 1, which is constant, which is 0. Now proceeding forward, it will be like this. Now if we are having, you have to remember, if we have to d by dx of cx, where c is a constant, we can write it out. C, it will go outside the differentiation, it will d by dx of x only. So here the 3 will come out, we have to write down d by dx of x raised power 5 plus, here also 4 will come out, it will be d by dx of x square plus, here 2 will come out, it will be d by dx of x. Here it's only 1, once it is 1, so we can place it as it is constant, its differentiation is 0 plus 0. Now it is different, it will be 3 into x raised power n, it will be n x n minus 1. N here is 5. 5x 5 minus 1. Plus, yeah, again, what will be this? 4 into 2 will come forward. It's x 2 minus 1. Plus, it's only 2 because dx, that's 1. So, it will be simply 15 x raised to power 4 plus 4 to 8 x plus 2. So, you have to remember, therefore, d by dx of y. What was y? 3x raised to power 5 plus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Differentiation comes out to be this. We will have many more questions. Like if we are having y equals to x raised to power minus 2 plus 3x square plus 1. Now we have to differentiate this. So we will write it by formula dy by dx equals to d by dx of x raised to power minus 2 plus 3x square plus 1. So it will be dy by, it will be equal to, now give it separately, d by dx of x raised to power minus 2 plus d by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 1. Now we know what we know. First we will take it like this. Here instead of n we are having minus 2. It will be minus 2 x raised to power n minus 1. N is minus 2 and minus 1 is a formula. Just listen carefully here. It will be nx n minus 1. N is minus 2 that I have placed forward. Then it is x which I have placed here. It's n minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus, here it will be 3 will be outside, then it will be 2 x raised to power 2 minus 1. Here its constant will be 0. Simply we have to deal with this 2. This 2 is multiplied to 3. 3 into 2 into x raised to power 2 minus 1. N x raised to power n. It is nx n minus 1. So it will be minus 2 x raised to power minus 3 plus 3 to 6x is the answer. Therefore, d by dx of x raised to power minus 2 plus 3x square plus 1 equals to how much? It will be minus 2x raised to power minus 3 plus 6x. Just solve some questions at your home. If y you are having 6x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and y you are having 2x raised to power minus 3 plus 4x plus 5, or why you are having root of x. The hint here is root x is equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Just go for them, just solve them at your respective place. Tomorrow will be with another lectures regarding differentiation. Till then, Allah Hafiz.